WRTV investigates, digging into two stories tonight surrounding laws aimed at protecting you and getting answers into unsolved cases. First, let's get into protective orders. Do they really help people in threatening situations? Two recent cases ended in tragedy, even when there was a protective order issued involved. WRTV's Rachael Wilkerson shows us how much weight protective orders can hold and what they simply can't do.
Lamar would tell me that he was going to kill me and my kids.
On April 3rd, 2021.
I thought my babies were downstairs dead, and I did not have a clue how this man got into my home.
Monica Conley says her life flashed before her eyes after her ex-husband, Lamar Pittman, violated protective and no contact orders and unknowingly entered her home.
I was stalked and harassed repeatedly by him. I ended up surviving because I shot and ended up killing my ex-husband.
Conley did not face criminal charges in the case. Police reports and court records show that Pittman harassed Conley in phone calls and text messages for months. Conley says she did all she could do to protect her family and feels the justice system failed her.
I called the police every time. I reached out to prosecutors. I reached out to anybody that I thought could help me.
Do you feel like the protective order and the no contact orders worked?
No, I don't. I don't feel like they worked.
On Friday, a mother of two, Crystal Walton, was shot and killed outside of the daycare her children attended. Her accused killer, Orlando Mitchell, is the father of her youngest child. Walton also had active protective and no contact orders against him.
Now Crystal has lost her life and her kids will be without a mother. That is horrifying. That's so sad to me that it could have been prevented if somebody had done more.
It's not uncommon, especially on harassment and stalking type cases. Anything that involves a boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife. Those relationships are so intertwined that that piece of paper doesn't stop that person a lot of times.
Attorney Brad Banks says hundreds of no contact orders are issued daily in Marion County.
They're beneficial. I mean, they are formally putting somebody on notice that you need to leave this person alone.
But he says they don't always protect everyone.
That is just a piece of paper. It isn't a shield. It's not a be-all, end-all in terms of making sure you're safe. You should still be cognizant of your own safety.
If an order is broken, invasion of privacy charges can be filed. It's a misdemeanor that Banks says can be upgraded to a felony if the harasser doesn't stop. Conley is adamant she wants the Marion County Prosecutor's Office and IMPD to come down hard on those violating these orders. She says domestic violence victims like herself are doing their part, and the justice system needs to do theirs too.
It can be really hard and really frustrating when you're doing everything right. You're making the reports, you're calling the police, you are communicating with the prosecutors. Just don't give up.
Working for you, Rachael Wilkerson, WRTV.
You can learn how to file for a protection order in Marion County by going to this story on our website, WRTV.com.